TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent partner for lifting platforms and vehicle garage equipment with 12 branches in 7 countries. Today we would like to introduce you to the Heavyline TW250W-G lift. With a lifting capacity of 5 tons and symmetrically telescopic double-jointed lifting arms in M-arm design, the TW250W-G is a powerful powerhouse in the 2 post-product range. Their lifting height is 1,900 millimeters. And thanks to its 2 control units with radio connection, not only controllable on both sides, but also barrier-free access. The double-jointed lifting arms provide an extremely large adjustment range, which can be adapted to almost all vehicle types. Coupled with a low lifting point of just 110 millimeters, a sports car can also be lifted in this way. Of course, the TW250W-G has standard plug-in adapters, a motor cover, and the tried and tested post protection that protects your lift from dust and flying sparks. Thanks to the numerous special adapters, the vehicles can be ideally lifted. The posts are linked via a secure radio connection, so your TW250W-G can be controlled from both post sides. In addition, the TW250W-G is clean floor, as it requires neither a drive-over plate nor a crossbar. From caravans to vans, sports cars, and off-road vehicles, almost any type of vehicle can be lifted with the TW250W-G. The lifting height of 1,900 millimeters guarantees relaxed working under the vehicle. The TW250W-G is also optimally illuminated with the optionally available LED kit. The TW250W-G with symmetrically telescopic double-jointed lifting arms for an extremely large adjustment range while still saving space. Our power package in the 2 posts area. The TW250W-G, powerful and convincing quality, Twin Busch.